My dear students, hope that all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. This is Ghulam Mustafa, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Today I am going to discuss two creative of construction of your higher mathematics from exercise 4. Let's start. Here see that I have written a CQ question number 17 from exercise 4. The question is, in an isosceles triangle the base has length 5 cm and the equal side have the length 6 cm. By using this system we have to solve question 1, 2 and 3. Now first one, draw the triangle. So according to system, here see that in an isosceles triangle, that means this triangle must be an isosceles triangle where the base side length is 5 cm and the another two side equal side length 6 cm. At first, by using scale, draw the side length, base side length of 5 cm and another two side length 6 cm. Okay. Now by using scale, draw 5 cm as like that. Suppose 5 cm. Okay. So this is measure as A 5 cm and another one is 6 cm as like that, 6 cm. Okay, imagine this is B and this measurement is 6 cm. So by using this two side length we have to draw the isosceles triangle. So to draw the isosceles triangle, at first draw a line segment, suppose BD. In the line segment BD, cut the equal of base distance 5 cm and cut the line segment on the BD line equal of 5 cm as like that. Suppose mention this is the 5 cm distance and mention this is B and C. Okay. Now the equal side length is 6 cm. Now by using the compass, at first cut the measure B, the side length that is equal of 6 cm. Okay, equal of 6 cm as like that. Now set the compass on point B and C and draw the arc on upper side of this line segment. Now at first set the compass on the point B, okay, and draw an arc as like that, and again set the compass on the point C. Set the compass on point C and draw another arc on upper side. Here see that two arcs intersect at the point. Imagine this is point A. This is point A. Now join the two point A and B and again join the point A and C by using scale. Here see that by using scale, join the 2 point A and B. Suppose this is point and this is the point B, and join the point A and B and again join another 2 point A and C. A and C. So ABC is the required triangle where AB and AC are equal side length and BC is the base. Now question 2, draw the circumcircle of the triangle. Okay, so we have to know what is the circumcircle. The circle which passes through 3 vertices point of a triangle, this is called circumcircle. That means here see that I have drawn a triangle ABC. So now we have to draw a circle which passes through the 3 vertices point of triangle A, B and C. Now follow the process. At first, by compass we have to draw the two bisector line of AB and AC. At first bisect the line AB. The process is, at first set the compass on point B. Set the compass on point B and the measurement of half of B, more than the measurement of more than half draw two arcs on left side and right side. Okay, again set the compass on point B. Set the compass on point B and draw another two arcs left side and right side. Okay, and join the two intersecting point of both arc. Two intersecting point as like that. Here see that the intersecting point is, imagine this, two intersecting point. This is okay. Again draw another bisector line of AC as like that. Set the compass at the point C. Set the compass at the point C and according to the half, more than half, draw two arc left part and right side and left side. Again set the compass on point A and again draw another arc right side and left side. Okay, now again join the two intersecting point on the arc. Here right side is this and left side is this, and join both of them and join the bisector line. This is the bisector line. Here see that, follow this. This is the bisector line of AC. Okay, so mention the bisector line of AB is EM and the bisector line of AC FN. Two bisector line intersect at the point. Here see that two bisector line intersect at point O. Now join O and A. The point join O and A as like that. Now join O and A. OA. Now consider OA as a radius. Draw the circle which passes through the 3 points of triangle ABC. According to the compass, at first set consider O as a center and set here, and then according to the radius of OA, consider OA is a radius and draw the circle as like that. Okay, here see that this is the circumcircle of triangle ABC. This is the circumcircle of triangle ABC. Which circle? This circle passes through the point, three vertices point A, B and C. So ABC is the circumcircle of this triangle ABC. Okay, now question 3. Draw a circle which touches a point P of the circle whose radius is equal to circumradius of the previous triangle and which passes through the point Q outside the circle. That means to draw the question number 3, we need the radius of this circumcircle. So at first the measurement of scale, by scale measurement, measure the radius of this like this. This is the radius of measurement. So radius of circumcircle is this. Radius of circle is this. Okay, for the question 3. Now for question 3, this is the radius of, for question 3, this is the radius of circumcircle. Now question 3. Draw a circle which touches a point P of the circle whose radius is equal to circumradius of previous triangle and which passes through the point Q outside the circle. That means at first we have to draw a circle that has a radius equal to previous radius of circumcircle. Okay, so at first according to measurement of compass, at first draw the equal of previous radius, that means circumcircle radius, and set here and draw the circle. This is the circumcircle of previous circle. Okay, now measure the, mention that this is the center of C, and set any point on circumference of this circle is P, and set other point that is outside of this circle. According to question, the outside point is Q. So outside point is, imagine this is the outside point and mention this is Q. Now by scale join two of them, center to the any point of circumference, that means P, join CP, and the join P and outside point Q, join 2 point P and the outside point of Q. Now we have to draw a bisector perpendicular line of PQ. Already we know how to draw bisector perpendicular line. At first, set the compass at point Q, and by the measurement of more than half of the PQ line, draw 2 arcs on right side and left side. Again, set the compass at point P, and again draw the arc, another 2 arcs right side and left side, and then join both of 2 intersecting arcs, that is intersect right side and left side, and join the line. Here see that the joining line is this. Okay, now join CP and the extending P up to this line. This line is the intersector, the bisector line. Imagine this is A and B. Okay, and extend the line CP. Extend the line CP as like that. That is intersect at the bisector line AB at point O. Imagine this is the point O. Now join O and Q. Now join the point O and Q. O and Q. Okay. Now by compass, consider O as a center and consider OP as a radius. Draw another circle. Consider O as a center and consider OP as a radius. Draw the circle which passes through point P and which passes through point Q. Okay, consider O as a center and consider the radius of OP. Consider the radius of OP. Here see that OP. Consider the radius OP. Draw the circle that is passing through the point P and the outside point Q. So this new circle is the required circle. Okay, so this required circle is PQ. Mention the point is R. So the new formed required circle is PQ and R. I hope everybody clear this CQ. Question number 18. The question is, the radius of a circle is 3 cm with the center O, and T is a point at a distance of 5 cm from O. Construct the figure in accordance with the above information. First question is, so the radius of circle is 3 cm. At first draw a circle with radius 3 cm. So at first measure the radius 3 cm with the help of scale. So 3 cm. Here see that the 3 cm is this. So this is 3 cm. Consider this as O as a center. Now at first draw a circle according to 3 cm radius. So set the compass here and draw the circle with 3 centimeter. So this is a circle of 3 centimeter. Okay. Now the distance from center is 3 centimeter, and another point T is outside the circle, which distance is 5 centimeter. So set another point, measure the another point 5 centimeter as like that. This is okay. So say from center, imagine this is a point T and the distance from center is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So A is complete. First one is complete. First one is complete. Construct the figure according with information. Okay. So the center, from center the distance of radius is 3 centimeter, and the outside point T, the distance from center is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now second one, draw 2 tangent of a circle from T. Draw 2 tangent of a circle from T. Okay. Now for 2. For 2 again, draw a circle. Imagine, draw a circle of center O, that is radius is 3 centimeter. Imagine this is the circle which radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter, and this is the center O. And imagine the outside point is T is in here, and the distance from center is 5 centimeter. So this point is, imagine this is T and this is center O. We have to draw 2 tangent from T above the circle. Okay. Now to draw the tangent, at first join the center of circle O and the outside point of T. Now join by using scale. Join 2 point by using scale. This is 2 point. Okay. Now we have to bisect. We have to draw a bisector line TO. Already we know how to draw the bisector line. At first set the compass on point T, and the measurement more than half of this TO. Draw 2 arc, lower part and upper part. Draw arc, and again set the compass on center O and draw arc, upper part and lower part. Okay. Then join the 2 intersecting point, and join the 2 intersecting point upper and lower part vertically. Here see that the joining this is, and mention the intersecting point on TO line is M. So this line is bisector of TO. So you can say that M is the midpoint of TO. So now consider again, now consider the new radius of M and O. M and O. Consider the new radius M and O and draw a circle. Okay, draw another circle as like that. This is which passes the center of previous circle. Okay. Now join. Here see that new circle intersect in previous circle as this is R and this is Q. So join to line T and R and another line T and Q. Join to point T and R. So the 2 point joining line is TR. Join 2 point T and R, and another point R, Q and T. Another point Q and T. Therefore the 2 line TR and the TQ is the 2 tangent of this circle of from the point of outside point T. So TR and TQ are required to tangent. Clear? Now question 3. Determine the sum of the length of the two tangent by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by using STEAM we draw this figure on question 2. Here see that according to the STEAM, the radius of this previous circle, that means as a center O, the radius OR and OQ is 3 cm, and the distance from the outside point, that means OT, is 5 cm. Okay, now we have to find out the distance of two tangent TQ and TR. Okay, so see that the solution here OR and OQ equals to 3 cm. Okay, same radius. Yeah, same radius of circle, and the distance OT equal 5 cm according to question. But here see that the angle ORT is the semicircle. We know that the semicircle is one right angle, that means 90 degree. That means we can say that ORT equal 90 degree. That means semicircle. Semicircle is one right angle. So we can say that ORT is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras we can write, so O triangle ORT, right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras, now by using Pythagoras, we can write as hypotenuse, that means OT square equals to TR square plus OR square. But we have to find the distance of TR, sum of two tangent. That means at first if we find the distance TR, then TQ also the same distance. So by calculating the next part, here see that by calculating OT square, that means we have to find out the TR square. So TR square equal, we can write as OT square minus OR square. So OT square, the distance of OT is 5 square, so 5 square minus OR, the radius is 3 square, that means 3 square. So 5 square 25 minus 3 square 9 equals to 16. So TR square equals to 16. So we can say that TR equal 4. So the tangent of TR 4. Again another tangent, we can say TQ also 4. TQ equals to 4. That means the sum of two tangent. So we have to determine the sum of the length of two tangents. So sum of two tangent tangent 4 plus 4, that means 8 cm. Sum of two tangent will be 8 cm. I hope everybody clear. If you face any difficulty, you may ask me question anytime.